place with Justin Bieber, but he left me. Oh, woe is me. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Now what I'm gonna do? Now what?
Hey, baby, I heard your problem, and I just want to let you know Daddy can take care of you.
You can?
Yeah, you just gotta do something strange for a little piece of change.
But,
Don't fight it. Don't fight it.
I can't. No, I love him so much.
Hey, look, my name is R. Kelly, and I can pee on you.
What?
No, babe.
No, I don't want you to pee on me. That's disgusting. It's okay.
No, it's not even like that. See, she had yanked my dick and all, and I peed on her by mistake. Bitches are crazy, ho.
But, so you want to be forever?
Maybe, maybe not. But if you put it on me, I can do what you need to.
I don't think Justin Bieber will like that.
Hey, don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. Just let it happen.
No, rape.
No. I like to do it doggy style. Hey, bitch, hold my dick. No. What you doing, bitch? I'm Justin Bieber. No. You slept with another man. You cheated on my ass. Kick rock, bitch. Hey, don't you. Hold my dick. Nigga, you sucking my dick, nigga. No, get off of him. Ow, why did you hit me? That's a punch. You did that to me.
I don't love him anymore. I want him.
Suck my dick, bitch.
I love you. But hold on, let me suck his dick real quick.
Let me take your virginity off. I'm done.
2 men in a row. They fucked me, and it's really good sex, but I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm gonna kill myself. Nobody loves me. Gonna drink this potion and fall asleep.
Get out, Mom's room.
Oh my gosh. My baby. I mean, I may have fucked her and left her, but she's dead. Why is she dead? Now, I can't live without her. I finally realized that. I'm just gonna kill myself. Fuck this shit. 5 hours later. I'm awake. Oh my god! He's dead! Well, nigga got some money on him.